Serene Cleaning Services presents stovetop and microwave filter cleaning. Today we are working on a glass stovetop. Every stove is different, so methods will vary depending on your stovetop. Let's start with grabbing our non-scratch sponge and a non-scratch scrub, spreading it all over the stovetop, and making sure to put in more effort onto those burnt sections. Once you are finished scrubbing, you can go ahead and grab a microfiber cloth soaked in water to rinse off the excess product. You may have to go over and reapply as needed, changing out cloths when necessary, or folding it into fours like I am shown here. And here is the final result after all that scrubbing. Let's move on to our microwave filter. After taking the filter out, I'm using a cloth damp with all-purpose spray to wipe the bottom of the microwave. I'm putting the filter into a sink filled with hot soapy water, letting it soak for 5 minutes or longer depending on the buildup. I give it a good scrub after letting it sit and make sure to rinse it well with warm water. You'll want to let it dry on its own for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. You can also use a cloth to wipe it down if needed. To see more before and afters and how-tos, visit Serene Cleaning Services on Instagram. Link in description.